Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put dotted border to image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make or put a border to image. Go to the Insert menu, then click the picture option and choose picture from our file, then insert it. Now we want to put dotted border to this image. Click the image and go to the picture format menu, then click the picture border option. Choose any color border. Now I select the red color, then again go back this option and click the dashes option and choose the dot. Now I select square dot, then click outside of the picture, and we can see we put a dotted border to image this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.